This is the Harada method. This is what got Shohei Ohtani actually drafted first overall. It's something that is really fun. I'm going to make this in Google Sheets. This is what we start with. And what we want to do right away is we can do a very basic one where we have the same column size, which I'm going to do 100 here. And then the row size, if we select all the rows, we want resize rows to 100 as well. What I find is that this is great. We only need 9 cells across. So there, we delete those. And then we only need 9 cells down. So we delete everything else. And we can zoom out a little bit. I actually want to make this a little bit smaller. So we'll resize these down to 50 and resize the rows down to 50. And this is the entire thing. What we want to do now is add some borders, just thick border around here, and each block has a thick border around it. We want to highlight yellow in the center, and then we want to highlight around it a little bit less than dark, maybe just a light yellow. We'll use Command Y to do that again and again, and then each of these cells in here will be the exact same text as around the center. So we want to make this super easy to use. So in B2, we're going to type in the equal sign, and then we're going to hit D4, hit enter. So now whenever I write hello here, it shows up here. And let's center everything. Center, center. So center horizontal and vertical. I also want to do one more thing with the grid lines. I don't want to see any grid lines. I want to actually make my own grid lines. And so I'm going to go in and add in the border a little less here. And I want to make it a little less than black. Just the inside. Actually, way less. Way less. Let's do this one. Just a little highlight. Command Y again and again and again. Even this one's going to hit that. And just each cell gets that internal little grid. You can zoom in back a little bit. And again, we're going to go to E2, hit the equal sign, and equals this cell. Go to H2 equals this cell, and around. And this makes it so I don't have to type in anything else. If I want to get drafted number 1, there you go. I do want to make the text a little easier to read. I'm going to do quicksand and a little down. There we have a Harada method already done and dusted, and it has a cool little reference point so we don't have to type this in. If we want to add karma here, mental toughness here, it's going to be here. Oh, we can also do, just for the text, wrap everything here. I think that's going to look really cool and make a really nice template to fill this in for a lot of different things. If I want to be drafted number 1, sure. But I'm 42. I don't really want to. Maybe I want to just lose 10 kilograms. With some mental toughness and some karma, maybe I'll get there. With some friends, maybe I will get there. But yeah, that's the Harada method in a Google Sheet.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. You have 2 options here for your next video. Before you go, comment down below if you have any question whatsoever, and I'll make future videos from those questions. But for right here, right now, one of these videos could be your next Google Sheet.